you so much for all you have done and continue to do for our country.
Thank you for serving as a heroic example of who we are and who we dream to be.
Thank you for stepping forward when everyone else stepped back.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for sacrificing time with your families and missing significant milestones the rest of us take for granted.
It is a true honor and blessing to have such incredible protectors in our military.
Thank you for all you have done. I can't fathom the amount you have sacrificed for our great nation.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
For all your hardship, sacrifice, and most of all, your service.
Thanks to the men and women like you, we are proud to be Americans.
Thank you for not only protecting us, but teaching us to fight for what we believe in.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for placing yourselves between danger and us.
Thank you to all of you who have put on a uniform looking for nothing in return.
Thank you for your courage on the field of battle.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for giving up your time so we can choose what we do with ours.
Thank you for sacrificing countless hours in your efforts to develop the leaders of tomorrow.
Thank you so much. The selfless act of serving for our country deserves the highest level of respect. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you to your families and children who accept your absence and know that they have to share you with the nation and sometimes the world.
Thank you for being away from your family so we can be with ours.
Thank you for delaying college, marriage, and other opportunities and choosing to serve.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for reminding us to never forget that freedom is not free.
Our country is now and will always be a better place thanks to men and women like you. Thank you.